by the orbs of Gorm!
Lucas, you do not tap magic like that without clearing it through the keeper first.
Relax, I saved the day.
With a magic surge that nearly cracked our crystals.
The spell worked. Why do you think Mimic was so afraid to use it?
Who knows? The important thing is that Lavion and Bombos are gone and our worlds are safe again, right?
Well, yeah, but what if something happened to you in the process? What if...
Relax. Our buddy Lucas is fine.
You can take the rest of our class time to absorb today's lesson.
You were tromping through the campus garden again, weren't you?
So what if I was?
The speckled sparrow needs a safe home too, you know.
Yeah, that's what I said too.
Ow! What are you doing?
Oh, it's just that you're,
Hey, guys.
You lose a fight with a ficus?
Ow! Not you too! Speckled sparrows!
Lucas, wait! Oh, sorry.
Excuse me.
My bad. Say, I like your new do.
My new...
I mean, wearing shrubbery is weird, but if you're doing it, then it must be cool, right?
Yeah, it's a new style from a place. It's very new, and I gotta go.
Oh, no, you don't! Whoa! Hey! What are you looking at? Tree freak! Ah!
Wait!
Ike, it's okay. Huh?
Lucas?
Ooh, maybe some serious moisturizer?
Dude, you've gone Gormiti! Tell me something I don't know.
We've got to get you back to the primal pad. Maybe Razzle can...
Shouldn't you be in class?
We are! I mean, we're,
What he means is we're on the campus beautification committee.
That's right. Lugging off this, termite-infested old trunk.
Hey!
Allergies.
Kids.
No wonder that Mimic was too chicken to read the scroll. He knew there'd be some backcast.
Yeah, just because a lizard can talk doesn't mean he's gonna make sense.
Look, old scrolls have trouble containing their magic. When Treetop here opened the portal, some of it splashed back on him.
Backcast. So it's like when your hairspray gets on your hands?
If I ever grow hair, I'll let you know. The point is, some of his essence got sucked into that portal, and it threw his body out of whack.
I'm not just turning into my super Gormiti form. I keep rooting like a real tree.
So how do we keep Lucas from turning into a total tree?
Well, aside from a ridiculous amount of luck, you're going to need two things. One, that scroll, and two, you're going to need this.
So my orb will absorb the missing essence inside the portal.
Look what that spell has already done to you. Don't be a hero, Lucas.
You can't read that scroll again. There's gotta be another way.
Listen to your friends.
Mimic!
I too rooted as a tree after banishing Lavion over 100 years ago. I stood for 80 long years waiting for the backcast to wear off enough that I could finally walk again as Gormiti. I never have fully recovered. To this day, I am still a mere shade of my former self.
Guys, I've been doing some research on the rift. Venture Falls wasn't the only place getting hit with freak fires.
Relax.
Lavion and his pal are stuck in a portal.
Make sure you keep it that way. If they start torching again, we could have a global firestorm.
You sure you can handle being in that portal with Lavion and Bombos?
If you can handle casting that spell, then we can handle those hotheads. Lucas? Lucas! Lucas, no! No!
Oh, snap! Now what? What are we gonna do?
I will read the accursed scroll, as I should have in the first place.
You refused to read the scroll before, so why now?
Your friend was brave enough to sacrifice his life for mine. I am honor-bound to return the favor. Forest magic, trees and seeds, open a portal to suit my needs.
It's all up to us now.
What do you say?
Tag, you're it.
No, sure. You get the honor of spending an eternity with me, Lavion, Fire Lord. Imagine the stories you'll be able to tell. But me? I'm trapped in here with you, a mere minion.
Why don't we just escape like you did last time?
Because last time, you were the one who released me from this place. And you can't very well do that again, since you're trapped here with me.
Oh, maybe someone else will.
No one else knows we're here. No one else is going to open a portal.
Oh, so, this is what eternal banishment looks like.
You.
Let's get this done before these guys try to escape. Jess?
It's glow time.
Powers of the sea!
Strength of the stone!
Hey, Toby! It's working!
Bombos, time to heat things up! The orb! What do we have here? Something that would crush quite easily.
Toby!
Ah, it's good lighting for me, isn't it? With the flames, makes me look extra evil.
Toby!
Next time, I'll escape and scorch the entire valley to a cinder. And in the middle of the wasteland, a giant cinder statue of me!
It's always me with you. Heads up!
What? No. No!
So, Lavion, I see you've decided to stick around.
Good one. Oh, and Toby? Tag, you're it.
Wait! Where are you going? You can't leave me here! I am Lavion! Lavion!
Let's hope this works.
Lucas!
Thank you.
Lucas, You have to see this. Oh. What's wrong with you? It's like you're turning into some sort of tree freak.
Tree freak. Tree freak.
Everyone's lost it in this school.